We are here at Avicii Experience in Stockholm. It's a dedicated experience exhibition about the life of Tim Bergling, aka Avicii. I mean, it happened so much during a couple of years. He became a superstar you can go from his boy room where he grew up, where he used to play video games, and you can then go to his first studio, everything authentic, the real stuff. When we started the project about 6 years ago, we knew that it would have to become an interactive and engaging experience. When we found each other, Samsung and Pop House, we created a collaborationship where we looked at some of the absolute most beautiful screens that existed and still exist, called The Wall. Micro LED was brand new back then, and for us it was a match made in heaven. For us, Samsung The Wall and Micro LED has performed way above expectations. There were some things that we have never thought that we will only have one pixel fault in 4 years. That's unheard of, especially when running the exhibition every single day. When I tell this to industry colleagues or even colleagues of Samsung, they are saying, "Victor, you're lying to us." No, and this was after 2 years. So after 4 years, there's still only one tile that we had changed. For us, for me, that's magic. It means almost no maintenance. So when you start looking at something that maybe has a little bit higher price, for us, we value everything of total cost of ownership. And for us, that's a really good factor. And with Samsung The Wall, total cost of ownership has been great for us. We also love the fact that it's easy to clean off, that it's sturdy, and that it's just super reliable, just continue to perform day by day by day by day. So for us, for the future, when we're looking at building new museums or exhibitions, we will absolutely look at doing it together with Samsung and Micro LED systems, because it's match made in heaven.